Studies suggest that including superfoods like dark chocolate, berries, and nuts in dessert recipes can boost antioxidant intake and promote overall health. Including superfoods such as dark chocolate, berries, and nuts in dessert recipes may effectively enhance the antioxidant levels consumed, thereby potentially boosting overall health. These ingredients are known to contain numerous beneficial nutrients that can contribute to a well-rounded and nutritious diet. Dark chocolate, in particular, has been linked to various health benefits, including potential improvements in heart health and mood. Berry fruits are also rich in antioxidants and vitamins, which are essential for maintaining a robust immune system. Nuts offer healthy fats and protein, adding a satisfying crunch and contributing to a balanced dessert option. By incorporating these superfoods into your dessert recipes, you can indulge your sweet tooth while nourishing your body with vital nutrients.